This is Code.org. I'm currently working on their CS Discoveries course. I'm on Unit 3, Animation and Games, Lesson 20, The Game Design Process, Part 4. Let's see here. Use the multi-frame animations. In the sample Defender game, the sprites themselves were animated. Before getting started on the programming this game, take a minute to get familiar with the new way of animating sprites. Well, let's see does our code do anything? Oh, it's just, okay. This project already includes several sprites, but they don't yet have any animation. Go to the Animation tab and check out the multi-frame animations already added to your project. Choose one for each of your characters. Alright, let's see here. Animation tab. Oh, okay. Oh, I can control their speed? That's cool. He doesn't have a speed. Okay, and then, what if I... Oh yeah, he has a speed too if I click. Cool. Okay, got it. Remember, you can use Set Animation to give your sprites animations you've created in the Animation tab. And this project is linked, so we're going to be building on this throughout a few of the levels. Okay, so we need to set an animation, so sprite, let's find, nope. Oh yeah, right here, set animation, I'm going to drop it there, and I'm going to drop this here. Now, I don't have anything named sprite, I have a variable I made named alien, and now let's set the animation to, I want my pink alien first, and then ladybug, I will do second. Boom. Okay, and they already have draw sprites, remember? Let's see. Okay, and now when it draws them, they're automatically going to loop kind of through what they were doing, that motion. So that's super cool. So we created them the traditional way, variable, set the animation, and when it hits the draw loop, it's automatically going through the little animation we have here that uses these 2 frames. Awesome. All right, let's keep going.